You come in the yard, you don't know where you're free. The box if you need something, you can't speak. You don't see how much you want, you don't feel like pussy give me. Look, all of the girls that love seafood, say it. Say that again. What you gonna do? No will. Well, alright then. Say that again. What you gonna do?
Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vybz and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando, and I building. So, you know, Vybz Kartel performing in Bahamas, and we come for vulture that and review the performance and everything. Because to me, performance was good enough. It's not the perfect performance or the best performance, but definitely is a performance to watch. And you can see him get better and better at his performance. So, we're here to watch the video with Vybz Kartel and Spice's performance. So let's just jump right into the performance. And you know it, go already, man. Vybz and Insight with Nando. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share the content. And you know it, go, man. A mad thing. Let's go.
Yeah.
So it wasn't the beginning, so it'll be in the end.
Remember when we get your virginity, first night at the romping shop. You want to
I'm in the third round.
Let me use it that lady take a Snapchat. Boy girl. And the girl over the big bumper. You never see that taxi was the love song. We love you, my baby. It's our way, we love you, ma. In the street, but in the next show, anyway, you say it up, they got it up. I will give it, they got it up. She loves it so much. But listen to this stuff, you never see that guy, baby. Look, let me talk to Nassau girls. Fulfill my dream. If you want to see a girl, come on. Slow motion, sweet for you as I do. Again. You're thinking what me thinking, but me not a push up in a girl there. How would I fulfill my dream? My time, no. Now what I need. Slow motion, sweet for you as I me happy tell you say the love would be holding there. If you have this angel, the wire like a child, you don't put a love you. The love is me never get a young when we love so turn round so. It up there, take time up. Look, who I see your face? Get nice if you want, but someone see your mama, see your papa, see your mama. Look, again, because of this. Get quiet if you want, but look, bro. Let me sing to the girl then. Yeah. me, baby. Don't take away. I told her back to coming. She's coming. All of the people that look like to be alive. Take your one drop door. Watch out. I mean, I put me on make me the young me a stop. Oh. Never got big drop. Wrap your body out, you don't know where you're free. The box if you need something, you can't speak. You don't see how much you want, you don't feel like pussy give me. Look, all of the girls that love seafood, say that again. What you gonna do? No will. Well, alright then. Say that again. What you gonna do? Drop it.
So never in the beginning, so in the end.
Remember when we take your virginity, first night at the rock big star. You wind up when we force it like the rock big star, big star. You still feel like a virgin, I don't know what it is. You still born when we force it.
That song, yeah. I know every girl are gonna like that song, yeah. Cause I know every girl can skin out and some girl pussy stink no blood. That was Jane and Simone. Now that you know my dancers, let me see my where are the female besties in the house? You know I love my female besties a lot. Pick up on yourself. But if my female besties know me very well, all I know there's nothing to me like a big dick for wine pan. So because I'm strictly ridiculous, what a man to borrow and have to come from Bahamas. I need a nice big strong man for wine pan little bit. One of us tell the man come lend me. Where your man there? Your man there? You lend me a man? Are you a man this? Climb up, lend me. Oh my God, the next girl lend me a man. I'll be a girl lend me a man for wine pan. Oh, but you too young. Now when you look young, like you must still virgin. Oh, come on. Come on. Where you from?
Bahamas.
Where in Bahamas you from?
Nassau.
You from Nassau? How old are you?
21.
You don't tell us you look like a little virgin, man. Now when you look like you too young, you know. Look so deceiving. What does it try the same way? 21-year-old can manage me? What about you? Where you from?
I'm not from Bahamas. I'm from New York.
You from New York? Anybody here from New York? Let's try the young one first. I've never fucked a 21-year-old before. So we want to test it out and see how it would have feel. Run out the street! It's like a threesome. We're gonna step back. One at a time.
I know you like the way I wind between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and the sheets. Stop with the light and the tear up the sheet. Baby, come back, boom, boom, underneath. Come here, never do it when you're under the sheet. Bye, bye, come in, and I tear up the sheet. The man has a smell, one between the sheets.
Oh, 15 years we don't see a live and perform. Big up the students and the can't change. The proud are the graveyard round of applause to the people. The graveyard round of applause to the people. Can I hear the best system?
So that is Kartel and Spice's performance, people. Tell me what you think in the comment section if you think as the dancehall king and the dancehall queen, they perform well or the performance wasn't up to par. Just let me know what you think in the comment section. And my perspective is that Kartel are doing best as him can do right now because you know him just come out of prison and him a work on himself and him a got the Kim as him say him not gonna gym a Kim. So him a do the work and him a exercise so him can keep up with the performance and the energy. And we still say him a engage with the crowd and so forth. Him a do him look at thing, nah bash him and so forth. But you know, a mad thing, a Vybz and Inside. A mad thing, I'm out.